Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zcash. Today the Zcash has finally bounced from the support of an up channel. Therefore we will take a look at this movement of the price action. Along with that we will also watch the different moving averages and the indicators on the daily chart as well, and also the long-term analysis as well. So let's start the video, and first of all I would like to show you this chart. When the price action of Zcash formed a bullish crab pattern on this midterm 2-day chart and entered in this potential reversal zone, and I was expecting that as per Fibonacci sequence of this crab pattern, it will take the bullish divergence from here from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci level, because it was entered in this potential reversal zone that starts from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and I was expecting it will cross up this level, 0.786 Fibonacci projection, and this is the projection of A to D leg, and it will start a very long-term bullish rally from here. And finally the price action took a bullish divergence that was a very powerful bullish divergence and produced more than 170% bullish rally, but again dropped down in this potential reversal zone and used this potential reversal zone as a support and moved up again. At this time it is moving within this channel, and after hitting at the support again, it was very close to the support. It is finally bounced from this support and moving up, and we can see that I have placed exponential moving average 10 and the exponential moving average 21, and since the price action has crossed up or broken out these two EMAs, the price action was using these two EMAs very well as a support. Once it was likely to break down these two EMAs, but at that time we had channel support and it was bounced from there and moved up above the EMAs again. I have also placed the moon phases indicator, and this is the full moon, this is the dark moon, and the new recent full moon is appeared at the resistance of this channel, and new dark moon is appeared at the support of the channel. This is a kind of neutral signal that is indicating that it will be difficult for the price line to cross up this level there, where we have the full moon, and it will be difficult for the price line to cross down this level where we have the dark moon at the support. So it will be difficult for the price line to move up above this level and move down below this level. Now if we place the Bill Williams indicator on this daily chart, this is a very important indicator to catch the bearish and bullish rallies, and these are the basically three simple moving averages. This green one is the smallest one with the time period of 5. This red one is the bigger than the 5 moving average, that is 8, and this blue one is a 13. This is called jaw, and this is called teeth, and this is called lips of an alligator mouth. Whenever these moving averages moving down, and we have the smallest time period moving average below all of the moving averages, and the bigger in the center, and the biggest moving average above all the moving averages, it means that the alligator mouth is closed. And whenever we have this order of moving averages like this, like the smallest time period moving average 5 is above all, this is lips, and we have the teeth in the center and jaw below all the other moving averages, then it is called that the alligator mouth is opened, and that is a bullish signal. This is the bearish signal. So this is a very important indicator to catch this bullish and bearish rallies. Sometimes it gives false signal, as these are the very fast moving averages with the time period of 5, 8, and 13. For example, here we can see that the moving averages closed the alligator mouth, but after some time it was again open, and most of the traders would have sold their asset here, but it was a false signal. Therefore we can use the other indicators or the combination of the indicators to avoid these false signals. For example, my strategy is to use the simple moving averages, the combination of simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200 with the Bill Williams lines indicator. For example, if we take the example from here, when the price line crossed down these moving averages and the open alligator mouth was closed here, then we can see whether we have any support by the bigger time moving averages from the time period of 25, 50, 100, or 200. And that was the date when this open alligator mouth was closed, and we had the price action move down below these Bill Williams lines That was from 11th May up to 14th of May. And if we watch here, then from 11 to 14, we had a very great and strong support of this 200. This black one is the 200 simple moving average. That is a very strong support on the daily chart. Therefore, we can avoid such false signals using such other combination of indicators. If you have any other indicators, for example, if you're using MACD or any other combination of indicator, you can use with the Bill-Williams indicators. But I would suggest not to use the Bill-Williams indicators alone without any combination of other indicators, because sometimes it gives a false signal. And at this time, we can see that the price action is still moving above the Bill-Williams indicators. At this time, even these three lines, the lips and this teeth and jaw are moving sideways. But however, at this time, the price action did not cross down these three lines, and the alligator mouth is still almost open. It is not closed. Therefore, we can still hold, and we can wait for the price line to cross down these Bill-Williams lines, and we should wait for the alligator mouth to completely close, and then we should watch for these simple moving averages, that whether we have any support from these four simple moving averages. If we have the support, then we are safe. Otherwise, if all these supports are also broken down, then we can decide to take exit from the trade. However, at this time we are safe because the price action is still moving above all these Bill-Williams lines and moving sideways with these Bill-Williams lines and above all these simple moving averages as well. And if we want these simple moving averages, then we have the smallest time period moving average above all the moving averages. Then we have the 50, then 200, then 100. Once this 100 simple moving average will cross up this 200 simple moving average, and then we have the smallest time period moving average above all, and the biggest time period moving average, that is with the time period of 200, will be below all these moving averages. Then a complete open alligator mouth by the SMAs, by the simple moving averages of the combination of these four moving averages, will be completely open. That will be more stronger bullish signal than the Bill-Williams alligator mouth. Now I would like to show you this chart. That is a very big bullish garlic pattern that is formed on the monthly chart. I have been sharing this chart in my several previous videos with you guys, and at this time the price action after the completion of this bullish garlic pattern entered in this potential reversal zone, and I published this chart on 31st of May, and before that I have been publishing and posting this chart on the Tradingview and the different platforms as well, and especially on the YouTube as well. Now I'm playing this chart, and you can see that at this time the price action is gearing up, and we have another green bullish candlestick that is closed above the shoulder of the previous candlestick, and this candlestick was also closed above the shoulder of this previous candlestick. So if this bullish sequence will be continued, then we will soon watch a very strong bullish rally, and the price action will enter in this Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, and as per Fibonacci projection of this bullish garlic pattern, the price action is supposed to enter in this area, and this is from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. And if this Fibonacci projection will be crossed up, then we may see that the price action may achieve the highest price ever in the history of the Zcash. It has been traded on most of the exchanges above $2,500, and as per Poloniex, it has been traded above $9,000 as well. You can see here. And it is possible for the Zcash, if it will start a very long-term bullish rally, it will cross up the $9,000 level within next 1 or 2 years. So this was the update so far by the Zcash price action. If I'll have more updates and more educational stuff for you guys, I'll definitely share with you. If you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to the channel, do share my videos as well, and do share your comments in the comment section as well. Take care. Goodbye.